Have you ever opened the MDX formula editor and just faced the blank page and didn't know where to start? Well, we have an AI assistant that can help you with this. Click on the icon and the MDX formula assistant is opened. And here I can write a short description in plain English that I want to create. For example, show me all issues with highest priority. And MDX Assistant is reaching to his knowledge base and following the instructions and generating the formula that I can copy and use here, like highest issues. Let's see the results. We can see the numbers and we can maybe adjust and refine the formula even further. Show me the percentage of those issues against all issues. And again, assistant is thinking and generating the formula. And this I can again copy here. I can read the description, what it does. And it suggests to change the measure formatting to percentage. So we can see that 20% of all issues are highest issues. So enjoy the MDX Assistant and use it as your personal tutor to create nice looking formulas.